Namaste, I'm Ruhi Aluwalia, your coach tarot reader. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of the tarot for this week in four main domains: health, career, relationship, and finances. I'm also going to give you a global message that will help you to manage the energy of the week. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to answer to one of your personal questions. So think about that one question right now and stay tuned with me till the end. To begin with, we've got this card. Now, this card tells us that this week has to be managed with a lot of balanced attitude. You could be dealing with a lot of legal issues this week, a lot of paperwork. You will have to take important decisions. You will have to give a certain structure to your life. So, things that you have been procrastinating, you have been postponing, it's not going to work. You have to address those issues this week. As far as the professional life is concerned, we've got these two cards, beautiful, amazing cards to start with some new projects this week. But I do see a certain hesitation. So don't hesitate. You're ready for action. This is the week where you have to put your action into practice. And in the professional life, you will have a feeling of satisfaction, as if I've found my place. This is where I belong to. So new projects look great. You really have the capacity to be a magician this week. So don't hesitate to experiment with your creative ideas also. As far as the finances are concerned, we've got these two cards. Finances will require certain attention. You can have some unforeseen expenses that you had not planned for. So be ready to manage that particular unforeseen circumstance, or in case you can have some invoices that you have not thought of. So finances need to be managed with care and with wisdom this week, and with a certain visibility for the future. As far as the relationships are concerned, we've got these beautiful cards that tell us there's going to be peace, harmony, a good communication in relationship. You will have a feeling of fulfillment, of that enrichment, that I feel enriched in my relationship. So do enjoy this beautiful phase in your relationships. As far as health is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me you've got to take care of your mental health this week, because if you are someone who's overthinking, that overthinking attitude of yours is going to take you too far, and you have to practice to keep coming back to now, to now, to now. If that is going to be your effort and strategy, then you're definitely going to enjoy your health. You will find that that sun uh, inside of you, no matter how the situation is on the outside. Now, the global message for the week is this beautiful card that says that you have to make an effort to take things forward in your life. There is going to be some renewal in your life, in any domain of your life. You have to communicate with yourself, as in ask yourself the right kind of questions. What are your needs? What are your beliefs? And you have to accordingly adjust your belief system, and you have to adjust your actions that can meet your needs now. And also you have to communicate vertically, as in through prayers. Communication meditation is going to be great if you can culture this practice in your life. Now I'm going to answer to one of your personal questions. So think about that question and let's see what the tarot is guiding us. So I'm going to pull out three cards. One for the past, for the present, for the future. All right, so in the past, you took some very important decisions, very, very important decisions. They were quite straight. You were very sure. As of now, you are enjoying a good, comfortable position, because the decisions that you took in the past are really helping you to position yourself really well now. And in the future, you are going to welcome love, lot of enriching, beautiful things in your life. Now, these are the general potentials. In case if you're interested to have a personal reading for yourself, to know about your life, what decisions you have to take, what direction you have to take, do book an appointment with me, one-on-one or online. The link is given in the description box below. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Share this video with at least 3 people that you know to guide, inspire others. And subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.